So it's going to lead into what we're going to talk about today, which is AI, and as it pertains to a practice owner, and what it's going to replace, what it's going to help, and things I don't think it's going to add any assistance to. So we did a list of like pros and cons of AI.
Yep.
And I thought that we can just go through that. But what are your like initial thoughts of it going forward?
I mean, at least as of today, and look, I don't know about 50, 100 years from now. I don't know how the technology will grow. I imagine it will dramatically. But as of today, as of the next, say, 10 years, I don't foresee AI is going to be a great busy work tool, right? Busy, repetitive, computer-based actions will be automated, and having someone do them will be obsolete in the near future. But past that, AI is not going to treat patients, right?
Yeah, we'll get into the pros and cons, but yeah, I see your point.
I mean, I see it basically taking over repetitive computer-based actions, work, whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm. See, I mean, but technology has continued or been around, since I don't even know how long, right? I mean, we're continuing to have technology. I think a lot of people worry like they're not going to have jobs, or their staff is not going to be needed for certain things, and that may be the case.
I mean, the world changes. People had the exact same fears when computers started becoming the norm 20 years ago, right? 30 years ago, I guess now, 25, 30 years ago.
Yeah,
but nonetheless, people thought the same thing. And yes, people did lose jobs.
They did. But guess what?
A whole new sector of new jobs was created.
Yeah, productivity increases. If all these things are actually good for productivity, then it's going to create new opportunities and new jobs and those kinds of things. So that isn't an issue. I don't have any concern about that. No. As we have advancements in technology, it's not, some things are going to get replaced that human beings did. Great. So now they can spend time doing other things that we haven't figured out yet. And that's how I think the migration of the labor force will work, and it will open up a new industry, and people will go there and they'll work there, and so on and so forth. So
exactly,
there may be a couple positions in a practice or a business that you don't need a person for anymore. But okay, something else will open up. You'll be more productive. You'll be able to see more patients. You'll probably have to add staff and support staff anyway. So
anytime there's a new breakthrough technology, there's going to be losers, but there's also going to be winners.
Yeah, and net balance, there's going to be a lot more winners.
The world will go on.
Yes, allegedly. We'll see.
Maybe.
Yeah. So there's some real concerns there.